The Hilton Garden Inn Aiken is a hotel located in the city of Aiken, South Carolina. It features comfortable accommodations, modern amenities, and convenient access to local attractions. Some of the amenities offered at this hotel include free Wi-Fi, a fitness center, an outdoor pool, a 24-hour business center. The rooms are equipped with comfortable beds, flat-screen TVs, microwaves, mini fridges, and coffee makers. If you're looking for things to do in the area, the hotel is located near many attractions, such as the Aiken Thoroughbred Racing Hall of Fame and Museum, the Hopelands Gardens, and the Aiken County Historical Museum. The hotel is also close to several golf courses, including the Aiken Golf Club and the Palmetto Golf Club. Overall, the Hilton Garden Inn Aiken is a great option for travelers looking for a comfortable accommodation in a convenient location here in Aiken, SC.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing.
Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tune in to the next vlog. Bye guys.
Down myself